Extra tab controls more technical settings related to CSS. Position property sets how an element is positioned in a document. Static value is default. However, relative and absolute are two most frequently used values for this property. Relative makes the element positioned according to the normal flow of the document, and then offsets relative to itself based on the values of top, right, bottom, and left. It's adjusted relatively from the other elements. Absolute makes the element removed from the normal document flow, and no space is created for the element in the page layout. It's adjusted independently from the rest of the elements. Display property specifies the display behavior of an element. Formally, the display property sets an element's inner and outer display types. The most important values are block, inline, inline block, and flex. Page break inside adjusts the current element's behavior in case it's based on the page break in the resulting report. There are two values. Auto – the element will be split into pieces if its size didn't fit the page. Avoid – the element will be fully transferred to the next page. The first page will have the blank space where the text should be. Border collapse sets whether cells inside the table have shared or separate borders. There are two main values. Collapse setting splits the table's borders, and if there are two cell borders connected, they will be overlapping. This is a default setting for the table. Separate settings identify every border independently, and if there are two cell borders, they will be displayed together and thicken the table. The rest of the CSS properties are described in the textual manual.